What's your first name?
Kent,
And this is your second time in the sauna?
and this is my second time in the sauna.
And I think yesterday you did about 15, 20 minutes.
Yesterday I did at least 20 minutes.
Okay, and today you did probably 30.
Today I did probably 30,
And
at least 30.
Yeah. And you feel good.
And I feel great, and I felt great both times.
Okay. And did you hurt it all before you went in?
And before I went in, I didn't have any noticeable pain,
Yeah.
but while I was in, I made sure to keep it all zipped up
Yeah.
so that it's nice and hot.
Yes.
And so I'm trying to take advantage of both the heat and
Right.
the irradiation.
Yes.
And when I got out, the air conditioner
Yes.
did feel really great. And
Yes.
I was covered in sweat.
Yes.
But it feels great inside.
Yeah.
But then when I got out, it felt really great. But also, weirdly, and I'm not
Yeah.
the wooiest type,
Yeah.
but I felt really just lightweight. And
Yeah.
I don't know how to explain that,
Uh-huh.
but it felt really good just standing up out of it, feeling that air conditioning, and then feeling just really lightweight.
Would you call that clarity of mind, in tuneness with the present moment, or?
I would definitely say that I was very present
Yes.
because I was definitely very much in my body,
Yeah.
feeling myself out and enjoying the way I was feeling.
Yeah. Okay.
But I felt clarity of mind throughout the entire time I was in here. I had friends coming by and talking to me
Yeah,
because we're at a
right.
cool conference with cool people.
Yeah.
And I felt like good and whole the entire time. And
Yeah.
when I got out, I would definitely say that I felt just as clear of mind, but I felt very, very much present and aware of how I was feeling, and I felt really good.
Good experience.
Great experience.
You
Yeah.
recommend it.
Yeah, totally recommend it.
And this is called the Relax Sauna, and the website is relaxsaunas.com, relaxsaunas.com. And Kent, thanks for the 2.5 minutes of saying how much you like it. Any last minute comments?
Yeah, my dad who bought one last year.
Yeah.
I hope that he'll use it more.
Okay, good. Now you know that you can recommend it more.
Yeah, totally.
Okay.
Thanks.
Thank you.